911, what's the address to your emergency?
Casa Loma Drive. My deal is shooting at the house.
Where is he at right now?
My dad said he's outside in the front yard.
Okay. And you said he's shooting at the house?
Yeah.
Okay. What kind of firearm does he have?
I don't know. We're hiding in the living room on the floor. It's my dad, my 2 kids, and my mom and my little sister. He's trying to open the door.
Okay. We have units on the way, okay?
I hear him screaming.
He's yelling right now?
I guess he's outside. It sounds like he's outside.
Okay.
To the left. Door to the left. Small room here.
I'll hold the door to the left.
Is this clear?
Right.
Sheriff's office.
Sheriff's office.
Let me see your head. Shots fired. Shots fired.
Come back.
Let me see your fucking head.
Come back. You see down?
Let me see your hands. Put your hands in the air now.
Let's move up.
Put your hands up now.
Let's move up.
Keep your hands up. Who else is in here?
Let's go. Move in. We'll clear. We'll clear.
Hold him. Hold him. Hold him. Clear.
Put your hands on top of your head.
I haven't got the gun. I got it.